Okay, so today we're going to build a birdhouse. This is generally about a 2-beer project. Unless you drink the 12-ounce cans, and it's closer to 3. So let's get started. Tools you're going to need: tape measure, pencil, some drywall screws, Phillips bit, 1/8 inch drill bit, and an 1.5 inch chipper bit or hole saw, and a 3/8 bit. Wood clamps are optional. You can also have your beautiful assistant hold your wood. If you don't have a beautiful assistant, you can use your wife or your kids. So I've cut all the wood today, pre-drilled the holes, and installed the perches. That was a bit tricky, getting the drill bit to stay in the center. This hole saw does not have a center bit. A little bit of wood glue for the perches. Let's see here, what else? So I've gone ahead and cut all the wood. These are 4-inch sections of a 1x6. This is for the floor. And the rest of the wood is 9-inch long pieces of a 1x6. Alright, let's get started. First, you want to pre-drill your hole so you don't split the wood. Go ahead and start the screws. Easy peasy. Kind of just line up it. Make sure that line up it. That's some good English right there. I didn't even go to Fowlerville. So just kind of flush up the back edge. Actually, I messed up. I didn't pre-drill the hole in the side. You don't want to split the wood, that's why you pre-drill the holes. I like it a lot. Apparently I forgot to put the door on this one. I didn't put the door on it. If you do have a beautiful assistant, they'll be laughing at you about this time because they seen that coming. I forgot. You ever forget? Happened to me. Okay, I think I'm going to put the floor in now. Maybe. Oh yeah. That's how you like your wood hole, is nice and tight. Look at that. Looks like I did this before. There you have it. In the spring, when you want to clean the box out, take off these 4 screws, clean the nest out, put the door back on. You've built your first birdhouse. Like and subscribe to my channel.